tutaweza kuwa na maombi mafupi ambayo viongozi wa kidini wataweza kutamka. Wanasubiri, tutaweza kukaribisha viongozi wetu wa kidini.
Lord, have mercy.
Basi nitapisha kanisa liweze kuendelea na shughuli zao.
Blessed are the dead who die in the Lord from now on. Yes, says the Spirit. They will rest from their labor, for the deeds will follow them. Therefore, trusting in God's abundant provision of grace and in His gift of righteousness through the person of Jesus Christ, we give the spirit of our brother Raila Amolo Odinga, here departed, into the everlasting arms of God to take him to himself while we commit his body to the ground.
Kwa viongozi mbalimbali, kanisa na familia, tafadhali.
The next one will be led by the children of the late. The next wreath will be laid by brothers and sisters The next will be laid by Mama Betty and Mama Susan, followed by His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. The next will be laid by His Excellency, the Deputy President, together with the spouse to the Deputy President, Dr. Kithure. Then let's have all CSs present, all cabinet secretaries present.